channel Life Home and Garden with Enrica, and today I am very excited to share with you my 15 indoor plants, and most of them are tropical plants. So I am so excited to share with you one at a time and show you each one of them. Alright, let's get started! So this is Calamonding, belongs to citrus family. This is very easy to take care as long as you water it once a week, or if the soil is dry, then you can start to water it. This plant doesn't like to sit on a wet soil, so if there's water residue on the bottom, make sure you throw it away. And so these two plants right here was from these plants. Last year I have the fruits and I saved the seeds and I planted it, so this is how it looks like now. So this is Dieffenbachia, or they called it dumb cane. This is very easy to grow. These plants, you can only water it once in 2 weeks, or sometimes it can even go for once a month. It's very easy to propagate. All you have to do is you can cut from here, put it in the water, and after a few weeks it will grow roots, and then you can start to plant it. Very easy to grow and very beautiful. Look at these variegated leaves. So pretty. So these plants here called poinsettia. Every Christmas it gives flowers. So the leaves turns into red. I am still learning how to take care of it. It's because until now, see these leaves right here? There's some discoloration. So I don't know if this is just changing color or if this is a disease. So if you have any idea or know about these plants, please leave the comment below. Thank you. Okay. So these plants right here called Christmas cactus. By November to December, it gives so much flowers. The flower will be pinkish color. And these plants right here was from these plants. So all you have to do is you can cut these plants right here and then just put it in the water. Few weeks it will grow roots and then you can start to plant it. So this is a free plants from these plants right here. So these plants here, it's called Dracena. It's a tropical plants. The same with crouton plants. This is tropical plants as well. They're both similar on how you take care of them. You can water it once in 2 weeks, or if the water, if the soil is dry, so you can just go ahead and water it. Look how beautiful is that. And look at the multicolors on it. So beautiful. And over here, I have these ivy plants. It's the same thing. I water it once in 2 weeks. And what I did is I just stake it, and then it just continued to climb. So right here, oops, sorry, I have a snake plants. So right now it's just starting to grow right here. The baby snake plants here starting to grow. And this one, you cannot overwater it. You only water it once a month. So over here, we have peperomia, or they called it baby rubber plants. It is very easy to take care as well, as long as you water it once in 2 weeks, or if the water is dry as well. I mean, if the soil is dry, all right? It's variegated. See the color? There's some whites, and then there's some solid green right there. Look how pretty is that and how healthy is that. Another one. So over here, This is another peperomia, but this one here have a solid color. The same thing, don't overwater it, just water it once in 2 weeks and the plants will be very happy. All right. So these plants right here, so my co-worker gave this to me, and it was just a baby and I started to plant it. And now it's really pretty, look at that. It's called spider plants. It's purifying the air inside the house. But most of them are doing the same thing. They're cleaning the air inside the house. And right here, one of my friends has given this to me. This is called, I think it's called philodendron. And I love the flower, I mean the leaf shape. It's like a heart. And look how big is that. And it's so healthy as well. And over here, we have a Wandering Joe. Wandering Joe? Yeah, I think so. It's Wandering Joe. And anyways, I have to get something to support it because they're all going down like that. But they're very healthy and I like the color of it. It's purple on the bottom and then striped gray purple leaves on the top. So I think I got everything covered. Oh, one moment. There's one right here. These plants, I got this from IKEA. And I don't know the name of it. Let's see. Kalanchoe. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but anyways, this is my new plants. And I'm excited to see how this one grow. And I have to learn how to take care of it as well. So, alright. Oh, hold on. Another one. The last one. So these plants right here, I am very, very excited because some of my friends, they said this is very easy to take care, and the name of it is called money plants. And I really like it because of the variegated leaves as well. I don't know, but I love variegated leaves. And they look so healthy. And they said it's going to crawl, or I mean, I don't know, I have no idea how this is gonna be look like soon, but I'm just excited for it. Anyways, that's all for today. I am so excited that I have able to share all of my indoor house plants with you guys. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I am looking forward to see you on my next video. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Click that like button and hit the notification bell so that you are being updated on my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye for now.